Hello everybody, Ajay here with Hacking University, and today I will be discussing about the text template plugin for Windows Live Writer. So if you are aware about this, Windows Live Writer, the beautiful and most awesome blog writing utility, officially provided by Microsoft. It's a free tool, and basically it's used to create your blog posts for your WordPress blog, your blog or any kind of blog. Every blog is pretty much compatible with this tool over here. So right now my blog is on Blogger, and I just love this tool, and I obviously create all my posts using this tool. So you might have seen a few of my widgets like the YouTube videos, and it contains that border there. And there's a recent post label. I usually add the recent post label. So let me just show you. Okay, let's open this post up. Right, so right over here you can see in this post there's a this one widget is right over here. It's my recent post label widget. So basically it displays recent posts from any of the label I mention over here. So the script is already added into my Blogger account, but still it needs the HTML, which is a script based HTML. We need to add that snippet right into the blog post where we want to load the amount of post we want. So like it has a nice number of posts over here. So you can see like this is the one widget, and then I have many more widgets. So basically what it does, the text template plugin, it allows you to store the snippets of the HTML. So if you go to the official Windows Live Writer plugin site, so this is where you can download this thing. Obviously the link is in the description, so you can visit the post, and then you can get onto this link and you can download the free plugin. It's a very small plugin. So basically, as it states, the text template plugin lets you save commonly used snippets of HTML. So it's pretty common, like the normal I add the YouTube video. So the normal YouTube video is like youtube.com/embed, and then it's a code. But on my blog, which is the last post, I added the YouTube video. It's let me see, so that I can just give you a good example of what I'm talking about. Pretty much I think so added the YouTube video in my I'm not just getting to which was the last post. Obviously get the yeah, this is the one how to add. So I just added the YouTube video in this post. Okay, the YouTube video should be there. So okay, boom, it's over here. So as you can see, the video is loading. So basically it has the shadow and the border with the border radius. So basically it's embedded. The CSS is obviously in the blog account, but still this needs to have a proper width, so that it's the one way is to use the embed, and we can add the CSS starting to that thing. But the second way, which I'm using, is adding a YD border. I have just created a widget and I have added the YouTube video. So basically we have to save this HTML snippets, and the best part is we do not need to store them like this, but there's a template, text template. So after you install, you basically download the small utility, double click, and it automatically installs in the Windows Live Writer. If you are not able to see it in the insert, you need to close and reopen your Windows Live Writer, and you will see the text template right over here. So the text template plugin is over here. So how it actually works, so let me show you. Like, okay, so obviously I need to add a YouTube video over here with that my border and style. I click on the text template and I've saved all those things. So I scroll down. As a YouTube video, I click on it and hit OK, and boom, you can see the border. Right, so it won't load any video because I haven't added the code. So then I go to source, then there is a this one. I can easily sorry, I can easily change this one to my new video, and the stuff will load pretty much, right? So this is the one way the text template plugin works pretty good. So the second one is my the recent post label. So likewise, type any paragraphs, right, like this, and then this, then some paragraphs like this. So I want to add my text template right over here, the recent post. So I hit text template, recent post label, I click on it, and boom, it's right over here. So when I just add some of my labels, like over here, tricks, then I can choose how much post I want to load. I can go with the 10. So it added, you won't be able to see because it's script, but when I publish, it's automatically loaded, like, let me show you, like this post over here, yep, like this. Okay, so it's a useful thing. Now actually how you can create this. So let me show you a very neat and decent example of how actually you can use this thing. So suppose you create something. Please, I am a fellow reader at University, and I just love post from stock or my blog or something. Wow. So now suppose I want the Hacking University to be bolded up, the awesome blog to be italic and bold both, the okays or okay, the reader should be bold. Oops, sorry, it's kind of a messy problem. This happened. So okay, fellow, oops, just misplaced the reader, right? So hit bold, and we need to add a color to it. So like purple, make the awesome blog a little bit green or yellow or red, yeah. So like now it obviously has a HTML, so this is the HTML of it. So we copy this thing up, then we go to insert text template, and we choose add new template. Right, then we can give a title of like demo lines. So you can give a title like a recent post label I have added. Then there's an inserted HTML. You paste the new term, you accept it, and then it automatically asks you to save your file. So obviously I have saved all my XML files. You hit save, and your stuff is added. So now how actually it works. So when you're working, suppose I just typed something, right? Now I need that same line right over here. So the one way is to type and once again give colors and bold and italic attribute. The second way is click on text template, search the thing you have, just demo lines, you click on it, and boom, everything is reader, your awesome blog. So it's the best way to save your HTML snippets. So any HTML like to create, so this snippet snapping option. So you got the usefulness about this simple plugin that attaches with your Windows Live Editor pretty easily. So it could be very useful in a few cases. I just love this plugin and obviously this tool. So hope this HTML snippet saving tutorial for Windows Live Writer proved a little bit useful for you. So if you find any problems installing or doing this thing, either you can comment on my blog post, or you can obviously comment right on this video. Like and hit subscribe. We'll meet you in my next video. Peace.